Hey guys, it's Alicia and welcome back to my channel. Today we're just going to be using the Modern Renaissance palette and we're pretty much just going to be doing an easy soft glam. So I'm just going to start using this like barely pale shade that you can tell is pretty much gone, and I'm just going to be using that over my whole lid as like a base shade. Now we're going to use this packing brush and go in with this orange shade, and I'm going to pack that into my crease. Once I have that all packed on, I'm going to go in with that same shade and mix it with the shade Burnt Orange, and I'm going to use a fluffy blending brush. And I'm just going to start blending that out, and you don't want to go too far up to your eyebrows. You just kind of want to make that crease line shape. Now I am just going to use another blending brush and go in with the shade Raw Sienna and just blend that out even more. Once you like how that's blending, now just do the other eye. Now with an even tinier blending brush, I'm just going to go in with this dark brown shade that I covered so I can't tell what the name is. And I'm just going to deepen my crease and kind of give that more definition. Now I'm going in with that first blending brush, and I'm just going to go over that to do a better blending because of that darker shade, and you're just going to want to do that with the same Raw Sienna color. Now that we're done with that, we are going to take our Tarte Shape Tape, and now we are just going to do a cut crease, and I'm not going to do a full cut crease, just like a halo eye. Put that on, I'm going to go in with my Sultry palette and use the shade Cinder, I think it's pronounced. I don't know, I'm going to be messing that up, but yep. I put it on with a brush, then I went over with my finger, and then now I'm using that one dark shade, and I'm just going to blend those two in and do the other eye. And now with the same palette, I'm going to use the shade Twig and just go underneath my eyes to give some more color. Now to give it some more color, I am going to be using my Sultry palette again, and I'm going to use the color Dystopian with an old eyebrow brush, and I'm going to create a wing on my eye. Next, I'm going to be putting my eyeliner on from Tarte, and I'm just going to be doing a tight line just so when I put my eyelashes on you can't really tell. Now I'm going in with my Maybelline Rocket Volume Mascara. I love this mascara. Now, time for highlighter. I'm going to use my Anastasia Glow Kit and use the shade Butterscotch. And I like to apply that with a fan brush at first. Very light and flowy, so you're not taking too much highlighter on. And now I'm going to go put on my eyelashes, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, got my eyelashes on, and now I'm just going to be spraying my face with some Morphe setting spray. And now for some more highlighter. I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty in the Kilowatt, and then my Ultra highlighter, which I don't remember the shade name, but I'm going to be mixing those two, which gives you such a good glow. I love it so much. going to spray my face again and go over that with my Morphe sponge, and I like to do that just so it sets it all in. Now I'm going to go in with my Kylie lipstick, which you could barely tell because I've had it forever. It's the Stormy collection. I think it's in the shade Nova. I'm not really sure, but this is one of my favorite shades in the lipsticks. I usually go for the liquid lipsticks, but yeah. Anyways, this is the finished look. And yeah, I hope you guys loved it. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe and like the video. Bye guys!